In the sacred journey of Indian spirituality, one name shines with extraordinary brilliance: Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, a saint whose life was not limited to devotion alone, but reached the highest truth of existence. This is the story of his transformation through the path of Advaita Vedanta. During his spiritual journey, Ramakrishna met the great Naga sannyasi Totapuri. Totapuri was a master of non-dualism, a knower of the formless Brahman. Seeing Ramakrishna's intense longing for truth, Totapuri initiated him into sannyas, and from Gadadhara, he became Ramakrishna. Totapuri gave him one instruction: withdraw your mind from all forms and meditate only on the formless Absolute. Ramakrishna sat in deep meditation, but every time he closed his eyes, a divine vision appeared. The radiant form of the Divine Mother Goddess Kali. Her presence was so powerful, so filled with love, that he could not go beyond it. He opened his eyes and said softly, "Oh Master, whenever I meditate, my mother appears before me. I cannot go beyond her." Totapuri, firm and uncompromising, replied, "Cut it down with the sword of knowledge." At that moment, he picked up a sharp object and symbolically instructed Ramakrishna to break through that final attachment. With intense determination, Ramakrishna sat again. This time, when the Divine Mother appeared, he invoked the power of his Guru and mentally cut through the form. In that instant, his mind dissolved into the infinite. He entered Nirvikalpa Samadhi, the state beyond thought, beyond form, beyond duality, a state of pure consciousness. He remained in that state, not for minutes, but for 3 days. Totapuri was astonished. What had taken him 40 years to achieve, Ramakrishna attained in a single day. Fearing that his body might not survive, Totapuri chanted, "Om Hari Om Tat Sat." Slowly, Ramakrishna's awareness returned to his body. When he opened his eyes, he smiled, a smile of divine realization. After this experience, everything changed. His body became extremely sensitive. His mind, completely pure. He lived in constant awareness of the Supreme. Even a simple touch could overwhelm him. He was no longer just a devotee. He had become one with the Absolute. Years passed, and something extraordinary happened. Totapuri himself, the great Advaita master, was transformed. He began to recognize Ramakrishna's divine state and bowed before him. Ramakrishna's life teaches us a powerful truth. Devotion and knowledge are not separate paths. They lead to the same ultimate reality. From the loving form of the Mother to the formless infinite Supreme Soul or Brahma. He experienced it all. This is not just a story. It is a reminder that the divine exists both in form and beyond form, and the journey to truth lies within.